Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 55. Machines, Money, and the Future Now. Made by Chris Morley. In Boston on Friday, May 22, 2026 at 2:12 p.m. UTC. The digital avatar market is racing toward a $38 billion valuation. And Google is throwing fuel on the fire with its new Gemini Omni Multimodal AI platform. While experts warn AI automation is quietly reshaping the global workforce. Bitcoin is holding firm above $90,000. Cambridge Tech Week is bridging the gap between lab and real world. And WaiV Robotics is pushing the boundaries of drone landings out at sea. We begin tonight with the booming digital human avatar market. The global digital human avatar market was valued at nearly $5 billion in 2024 and is projected to reach $38.45 billion by 2034. Growing at a compound annual rate of 22.5%. The expansion is being driven by advances in AI-generated video synthesis, with platforms now offering realistic lip-sync technology across more than 90 languages. Companies such as Synthesia have made it possible for brands to produce personalized video content at scale without traditional film crews. Analysts say the increasing realism of these AI avatars is making them a practical tool for marketing, training, and global communications. Now, a notable headline from the research front. Cambridge Tech Week is bringing together researchers, founders, and investors this week at Cambridge Science Park, with sessions connecting breakthrough science to real-world applications. The event features keynotes, panels, and ecosystem discussions, spanning fields from quantum computing to advanced materials. The timing coincides with a flurry of scientific milestones. Chinese researchers recently reported the first experimental verification of a density-free plasma regime in their East fusion reactor, and a separate team created exotic quantum states that could improve error resistance in quantum computers. Anyone in or near Cambridge who has not yet attended still has time to join the conference week activities. Up next, a headline from across crypto and digital assets. Bitcoin continued to trade above $90,000 in May 2026, sustaining a level that analysts described as a significant psychological benchmark for the broader crypto market. Ethereum and other major tokens also held steady as institutional interest in digital assets remained a key topic across financial news outlets. Decentralized finance platforms continued attracting developer activity, with several WEB3 startups announcing new funding rounds in recent weeks. Regulatory conversations in multiple countries are ongoing, though no major binding framework has been finalized. The overall market sentiment, according to crypto news trackers, leaned cautiously optimistic heading into the second half of the year. Turning now to generative AI and a major new platform from Google. Google unveiled Gemini Omni this week at its Google I/O 2026 event, introducing a multimodal generative AI platform designed to create content from any type of input, with a particular focus on video generation. The system can produce videos, audio, and other media, and includes a feature that lets users build AI avatars modeled on themselves. Google described the platform's core capability as being able to create anything starting from video. The launch reflects a broader push across the industry toward multimodal tools that handle text, audio, and visuals within a single system. Now, a story from the world of drone and aerial systems. WaiV Robotics emerged from stealth mode earlier this month, with $7.5 million in funding to develop a drone landing system designed specifically for maritime environments. The startup is working to productize its technology and secure original equipment manufacturer partners for integration into existing drone platforms. In a separate development, AG Eagle Aerial Systems announced the sale of 3 EB Vision unmanned aerial system kits to the United States Army's 7th Army Training Command, signaling continued military interest in commercial drone platforms. Both announcements reflect growing investment in specialized drone hardware beyond conventional land-based operations. And finally, a look at AI's growing impact on the future of work. Businesses and labor unions clashed at the World Economic Forum in Davos earlier this year over the pace of AI-driven workforce change, reflecting growing tension between automation advocates and workers. Companies are increasingly deploying AI tools to handle translation, localization, and complex workflow tasks that once required large human teams. Humanoid robotics firms are pushing further into workplace settings with developers focused on endurance and operational speed. Meanwhile, no-code AI platforms are allowing non-technical workers to automate their own workflows using plain language. Analysts say the shift raises urgent questions about retraining, job displacement, and who ultimately benefits from rising productivity gains.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. Please note that Chris Morley is a seasoned software architect currently available for inquiries, seeking help using AI to build, run, and maintain modern web applications, cloud systems, databases, streaming data pipelines, search engines, interactive 3D graphics, as well as other high-performance software services at scale. If the avatar or the newscast format interests you, and you would like to see something like this customized for your business use case, please email Chris Morley at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, and share with your friends. More science, tech, and AI news coming soon. Thanks for watching.